Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Got a new recipe for you tonight. We're gonna do some chicken lo mein with some sauteed veggies for the first time ever. That sounds good to you? Let's get to it. We use chicken thighs. So I'll include the carrots. Now let's use a little bit of our sauce here. And there you have it. Chicken lo mein with sauteed vegetables. All right, everyone. Well, thank you for tuning in today and learning about chicken lo mein with sauteed vegetables for the first time with us. Until the next time, see ya.